In's Academy. In for informative. In for interpretive. In for innovative. 3 In's Academy. A class above. Guaranteed. Let's start.
Hi friends, now let us discuss how an investor makes money. What I talked earlier, there is a system for everyone to make money. Investor makes money his own way, a trader makes money his own way, speculator makes money his own way, and gambler also makes money in his own way. But the ways are different. So let us see how an investor makes money. Investor makes money through the power of compounding. This is his way to create wealth. So let us see a simple Excel calculation where I'll try and explain you what is the meaning of compounding. It's a very simple Excel calculation. Just see it very attentively. So what I've done, for example, you get a company whose annual growth is around 30%. So the growth rate is 30%. Now you invest around certain money in that company. On year 1, you are investing around 1 crore. Now how would your money grow in year 2? 1 plus that 30%. So it would be 1.3 crores. Now we want to do a calculation for 25 years because normally investments should be for around 25 years. So first year it is 1 crore, second 1.3 crore. The third year it would be 1.3 plus 30%. So this is how normally a graph would appear of your growth. So initial years it would be something very less, and after certain years, maybe 10-15 years, it is going to grow like anything. So this is called the power of compounding. An investor makes money by this power of compounding. So let us look how Warren Buffett has made money. This was the Warren Buffett's net worth at age 14, and look at age 56, 58, 59, 66, 70 83. It has just gone up like anything. Billions and billions of dollars. So this is the power of compounding. We are going to look at Warren Buffett lessons in our course. How Warren Buffett looks at the world, how he does investments, what are his rules, how does he calculate the intrinsic value, what he means by assets and liabilities, and much more in our course. So the first part, our pre-primary, deals with Warren Buffett rules of investing. It is very simple in nature and very, very easy to implement. So even when Warren Buffett met Jeff Bezos, he said, Warren, your investing strategy is so simple. Why doesn't everyone just copy you? To which Warren Buffett said, because nobody wants to get rich slowly. I had been looking at YouTube's videos and was just trying to see who had a big hit ratio. So we have Warren Buffett lessons listed on that. So he didn't have a very big hit ratio. And some videos which had very millions and millions of hits, the title was, you can make money in one night. In 1 month you can be a millionaire. So probably the trend, what people like to hear is that I want to make money overnight. And that is what Warren Buffett is trying to say. Nobody wants to get rich slowly, but making money overnight is practically not possible, except for you are very, 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 very lucky. So his investment strategy is very simple. It can be easily done, but if you have a patience like Warren Buffett, the temperament like Warren Buffett, you can even compound your money to a great extent. So see you in our course where we would be discussing about Warren Buffett. Thank you.
Three Ins Academy. In for informative. In for interpretive. In for innovative. Three Ins Academy. A class above. Guaranteed.